Happy morning, students. In my previous video, you heard the explanation of the chapter, The Fun They Had. And now, in this video, we are going to discuss about the question answers and grammatical elements. Here mostly, the author is using so many adverbs. Okay, and the second, which is really very much important in our daily life as well, that is conditional sentences, the use of if. So first, let's discuss the question answers. Instead of discussing the questions of one line or two lines, I am directly coming to the question answers where you have to answer in 30 words minimum. Okay, so the first question, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Okay, so here Margie and Tommy, they had mechanical teacher. Okay, that should be your first point. When you answer, then it should be they had mechanical teachers and they were large, black and ugly. That is the other line, that they were large, black and ugly. And they had a black screen where text was visible. Okay, so that is your first answer. Next one, why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? See, here the use of did in the question. So, you will use the second form of the verb send here. What is the second form of send? S-E-N-D. Second form, S-E-N-T. Sent. Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because Margie's score of test was very low in geography. Okay, and day by day it was going worse and this disappointed the mother. So she called the inspector. Next one, what did he do? The county inspector do? He took the tally book aside and separated all the parts. Later, he did some of the amendments and reassembled the mechanical teacher. Okay, that means he was trying to find out the problem which was there in the tally book. And what was that? The geography sector. It was given a little too quick. That means it was with a fast speed, high speed, which was beyond the understanding of the age level of Margie. Okay, Margie was 11-year-old and the speed which was given already, which was fed already in the mechanical teacher, it was beyond her understanding. So, the inspector, the county inspector, he minimized the speed and brought it to the average speed of the age level, like 10-year age level group of children where Margie was coming. Next question, why was Margie doing badly in geography? That we have already discussed, because the geography sector was fed with the high speed. Then what did the county inspector do to help her? Here, what did he do to help her? Why help word is used? Because the mother is disappointed. She is not happy and she is blaming Margie for the low result. So here, he added with the mother that this is not the fault of the child. This is the fault of the mechanical teacher. At an average, with her age level, she is doing very well. And now the speed is minimized. It has been brought to the age level of Margie and now it would give a better result. And as per her age level, she is showing a very good result. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Now this is the other character of the story, that is Tommy. What happened with him? He is 13-year-old and he is also getting education with the help of mechanical teacher. So once his mechanical teacher was completely blanked. That means nothing was visible on the screen. So that was the problem came once in Tommy's teacher. Next question. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? Obviously, yes, she had regular days and hours for the school. If so, why? Because as per the mother, the regular learning will give better teachings in the child, and she would be able to gain the education in a very well framed manner. Further we go. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Now this is very interesting. In old kind of school, all the kids of neighborhood go to the school all together, laughing, shouting, screaming in joy with the friends. And when they reached the school building, they attended the classes along with the classmates. And there was a live lecture by the teacher. And they could see the teacher, they could talk to the teacher, and they could even raise their queries and doubts. They could discuss with the classmates. Okay, and at the school departure time, they would go together to their houses as well. So that means that was a kind of very good life process in old days, and that is liked by Margie even. Next one is, how does he describe the old kind of teachers? The old kind of teachers were full of knowledge and they could talk to the students. Even they looked with good dresses, okay, and good explanations. They could give lessons in a very inspirational ways. Even their teachings could develop different kinds of values even in the students. Now come to the long answer type questions, where you will write your answers in 100 and 150 words. So first question, what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? So here what is being asked? One is the school rooms and the second one is mechanical teachers. These two things are asked. So how is the school room? The school of Margie was just next to the bedroom. Okay, so that you will write that it was just next to the bedroom, and there she used to sit lonely to hear the lessons of the mechanical teacher, where the lesson will be visible on the screen, and then the questions. She has to submit the homework and she has to she has to take her test by putting code language. Okay, that means punch codes, which she was taught at the age of 6. In mechanical teacher part, you will write that they gave a slot where she had to put the homework, submit the homework, and she had to fill the test papers in punch codes. You may write here that it had a large black screen on which the text was visible. So in this way, what type of schooling, what type of teaching it was? It was boring. It was not that interesting. It could create boredom for the students. Next question is, which is related to the title also. The title of the story is The Fun They Had. Why did Margie hate school? Why she hated the school? Because she was seated alone and attending the class. She submitted the homework, she took her test, but at the same moment, soon after she got the result, the mechanical teacher calculated the result and showed the marks. So it didn't create any kind of excitement, zeal, curiosity in the child to know about her performance, because it was just the next step. So she hated her school. There was no interest. It was boring. Why did she think the old kind of school have been fun? Because of the schoolmates, because of the friends, because of the live lessons of the teacher, which we have already discussed in short answer type questions. Now the third one. Do you agree with Margie that school today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. So obviously you will write in yes, that yes, I agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story. Because let me write few points so that you will understand in a better way. The first one is interaction, which you can describe in your answer. That in older schools, the student and the teacher, they could interact with each other while giving the lesson, while taking the lesson. And when the teacher asked any question, then the classmates would discuss with each other. Okay, so it was a kind of interactive class. Next, eye contact. There was an eye contact between the teacher and the student. If the teacher looks at the child, then definitely the child will be conscious to hear the lesson. Okay, but when he is attending the class with the help of mechanical teacher, then he doesn't bother whether the teacher is looking at him or not. He may focus on some other ideas as well. Third, fear. In the live classes, the students had fear. They have fear that my teacher may catch me at any moment. If I am gone from the class somewhere mentally, suppose you are attending the class but mentally you are somewhere else. आप क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो लेकिन सोच कुछ और रहे हो. जैसे आप लेसन में देखते हो मार्जी इन द एंड शी इज टेकिंग हर लेसन बट her mind is somewhere else. She is thinking about the old school and fun. Okay, so same way, sometimes it happens that the student goes away from the class mentally, not physically. Physically he cannot. So if there is fear, then definitely he will put his complete concentration. That is very much important for a student. Now next one is excitement and curiosity. Which is required. Just I discussed about test papers. Margie, she wrote her test papers with the punch codes, and the teacher, mechanical teacher, calculated the marks and showed the result immediately, which didn't create any kind of excitement. But in old school, what happened? The students, they were waiting for the result. Okay, and when the teacher showed the result, they were very much curious to know the marks of each other, of their classmates also. So it created interest in the students. Now the next is values. Mechanical teachers fail to create any kind of value in the student. They cannot inculcate any kind of moral values, like how to respect each other, how to talk to each other. Okay, we should not fight with each other, and what is the time management, how to save our time. So such things are very much important for a student, which is given only, which is given in the old school. So here you cannot use is. Obviously we are attending live classes at this period, in this period, but whatever is discussed in the chapter, that is the time of the future. So you have to write about old school, where live classes and live teacher was there. Okay, so these points you will use to answer this question in 100 or 130 words. Now let's come to the grammatical elements. First one is adverb. Here you find so many words like completely, happily, so ly is added there. Adverb of manner, adverb of time. Okay, so such adverbs are put. So that way you have to read the lesson completely and fill the exercises which are given here. I hope you will understand properly now what is an adverb. Adverb of time, place and manner. Some exercises are also given here, like angry, angrily, mercy, mercifully, easy, easily, ugly, tidy, tidily. Why you will remove, and you will put ILY. As I put here happily. Same way ILY you will add here. Okay. Now the last exercise, that is the conditional sentences. See, when we use if, अगर ऐसा है तो ऐसा होगा. Okay. So it carries two parts of the sentence. If you miss the bus, suppose this is the first part. If you miss the bus, so that is in simple present tense. Okay. If you miss the bus, then again we put comma here. You will be late to your school. You will be late to your school. So if the first part, if the if clause is in simple present tense, then the other part of the conditional sentence will be in simple future tense. So here some examples are given. If I don't go to Anu's party tonight, I will miss the delicious food. That you can write, I will miss the delicious food. I will miss to meet my good friends. Okay, so in this way you have to imagine and add the second part in the if clause. Thank you.